Hey guys, so this is my Halloween wreath that I finished. It really didn't take that long, just a few hours. And doing all of this stuff is what takes so long. And then I just used pipe cleaners in the back to attach those pumpkins and the witch's inn sign in the center. I cut it out of the other part that was around it. And I added the, oh, sorry you guys, I'm holding my phone. Ooh, sorry, I don't want to make anyone sick, but I added the little legs and these. And I ran out of this ribbon, but this one here, but I don't think you can tell. There's just so much going on. But that was my first wreath, and I'm happy with it. And I know somebody had asked to see it, so I just wanted to show it to you quick. Hang on. So this is what it looks like from the back. You can see all the orange pipe cleaners that I used to attach everything to the frame, the wreath frame. So that's what it looks like in the back. And thank you everyone for watching, and I'll just see you next time. Happy Halloween! Bye.